So today's topic is cash flow from investing activities. So what is cash flow from investing activities? It is purchase and sale of non-current assets, that is tangible and intangible assets. You know what are non-current assets are? And non-current investments. This is known as cash flow from investing activities. When you buy or sell non-current assets, that is both tangible assets and intangible assets, and also non-current investments, it falls under the category of investing activities. Let's take an example to help you to understand. Suppose 2018, this is 2019. It's written over here, land. The value of land here is 1 lakh, and here it is 3 lakh. Machinery. The value is, say, 4 lakh, and here the value is, say, 3 lakhs. Now, out of these two, which one is inflow of cash and which one is outflow of cash? You have to understand this first. Very simple. When you see the value of land has increased from 1 lakh to 3 lakh, see the value of land has increased from 1 lakh to 3 lakh, means you must have purchased more value of land. Means in the year 2018, the value of land was 1 lakh. Now, suddenly it has gone to 3 lakh. So that means there has been an increase in the value of land by how much? 2 lakh. So what you have done? You must have purchased land. How much value of land have you purchased? You have purchased land of the value of, say, rupees 2 lakh. So in this case, when you purchase land, don't you feel purchasing is an outflow of cash? So it will be considered as what? Outflow of cash. Similarly, in the case of machinery, you can see the value of machinery was 4 lakh. The value of machinery here was 4 lakh. And now it has gone down to 3 lakh. Now, nothing much has been mentioned about it. So this 1 lakh decrease in the value of machinery. This decrease of machinery by 1 lakh is considered as what? Sale of machinery. Means you have sold machinery of the value of 1 lakh. So when you sell, your money flows in, means there is an inflow of cash. So sale of machinery will be considered as what? Inflow of cash. Is this understood, class? So this is what investing activities is all about. So what we will do now is, we will do a sum to help you to understand this better. From the following particulars, calculate the cash flow from investing activities. So let us start this. First thing, we have to write over here cash flow from investing activities. Now, the first thing that we have to understand here is that cash flow from investing activity, in cash flow from investing activities, what are the things that we bring in? We bring in purchase and sale of non-current assets and non-current investments. That's all that we bring in investing activities. Once again, I repeat, under cash flow from investing activities, we will only record the purchase and sale of non-current assets and non-current investments. All of us know what non-current assets are. Do we all know that? I hope so. We know it. Land, building, plants, machineries, furnitures, fixtures, patents, trademarks, goodwills, all of them. So let's see the sum. Cash flow from investing activities. Let's see. Land and building purchased is a 5 lakh and sold is nothing. Nothing is there in the question. So tell me, land and building purchased 5 lakh. Is it an inflow of cash or an outflow of cash? Whenever you purchase, you pay cash. So it is considered as an outflow of cash. Machineries purchased is a 3 lakh 40,000 and sold is 4 lakh 50,000. So here we know the first item we have it now. Under inflow of cash, we will first of all record all the inflows and then we will record the outflows. So under inflows, machinery sold. What will we write here? Proceeds from sale of machinery. How much is the figure? 4,50,000. Now, because there is also a purchase of machinery of 3,40,000, we are not going to show this because it is an outflow of cash. Right now, we are only recording the inflow of cash. Next comes investments. Opening balance is 4,10,000 and the sell value is 1,50,000. Once again, sale is inflow of cash. So we will mention proceeds from sale of investments. This is once again ad. How much is the figure of ad? 1,50,000. Patents. Proceeds from sale of patents. How much it is? 60,000. So these are all ads. Next comes, look down, it's written dividend received on shares held as investments. What is a dividend received? 10,000. Remember, receiving a dividend is a part of investing activities, but paying a dividend is a part of financing activities. I'll come to that later on. When you receive dividend, it means that you have invested money, only then you will receive dividend. Dividend is always received on investments. Say, for example, you have invested 20 lakh rupees in some stocks or bonds. So on your investment of 20 lakhs, the company on which you have made the investment, that company will pay you dividend or you will receive dividend from that company at the end of the year. So you're receiving dividend on making an investment of rupees 20 lakh, remember. So this receiving dividend is considered as a part of investing activities. So here we mention this as dividend received on investments. What is the value of investments? 10,000. Interest received on debentures held as investment. Once again, you are receiving interest on debentures as investments means you have invested in the form of debentures. So when you are investing in the form of debentures, the interest that you receive on that is also a part of your investing activities. So once again, I mentioned interest, I'm sorry for my handwriting, interest received on debentures as investments, 8,000. Done. Next comes a dividend paid on equity share capital. Dear students, paying dividend on equity share capital is a part of financing activities. So it will not come. Next comes land and building purchased. Purchase of land and building. Now, as I said, when you purchase any non-current assets, it is an outflow of cash. Your asset is coming, but with the moment you're purchasing, the money is flowing out. It's an outflow of cash. So purchase of land and building, how much it is? 5 lakh. Machinery purchased. So what is the value of machinery purchased? Purchase of machinery. What is the value? 3,40,000. Investments, that is also purchased. Purchase of investments. What is the value of purchase of investments? 4,10,000. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 4 is 12 lakh. 12 lakh 50,000. These are all less. So if you remember, I taught you that you must put a bracket if it's a negative amount. 8, 12 lakh 50,000. Let's subtract this from this figure. Total of purchase. Let's see what is the amount. 5,72,000. The answer is negative. 5,72,000. It's a negative amount. I hope this is clear. Now, because the answer is negative, this is 5,72,000 is an outflow of cash. So here you will write net cash used in investing activities. Is that clear to all of you students? Net cash used in investing activities. Why did I use the word used? This word used has been used because the answer is negative. Had this answer been positive, I would have mentioned net cash from investing activities. Had the answer been positive, I would have mentioned net cash from investing activities. Because the answer is negative, so I will mention the word used over here.